a poem from Kali Kannada grade 3. The name of this poem is Chitte and it is written by Narayana Bhatta. Chitte means butterfly. Okay, so this poem is about a small girl talking to a butterfly. Chitte chitte chandada chitte. Chitte means butterfly, chanda means beautiful. So butterfly, butterfly, beautiful butterfly. Kottavar yare bannada batte. Kodu means give. Kottavar yare means who gave you. Okay, who gave you colorful clothes. Banna means color and batte means clothes. If you see butterflies' wings, they are so colorful, so pretty. They have so many colors and patterns on them. So it is like a dress or like clothes of the butterfly. So the girl is asking the butterfly, 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 oh beautiful butterfly, who gave you such colorful clothes? Then muttalu bandare tattane hari. Muttu or muttalu means to touch. Bandare, come. If I come to touch you, it means. Okay, muttalu bandare means if I come to touch you. Tattane hari. You quickly fly away. The girl is telling to the butterfly, when I come to touch you, you immediately or you quickly fly away from there. Durake oduve etake pori. You run far away. Dura means far, odu means run. You run far away. Etake means why. Etake means why. Pori means naughty girl. So if I come to touch you, you quickly fly and run away from me. Why do you do that, naughty girl? Okay, like that, that small young girl is asking a question to the butterfly. Then, Summane nannali toruve sittu. Summane means simply. Toru means show and sittu means anger. Why do you simply show anger on me? Summane nannali toruve sittu means why do you simply show anger on me? ಹೂವಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನದು ಗುಟ್ಟು. ಹೂವು means flowers. Hattira is near. Enu is what. And guttu means secret. But what is the secret you have with flowers? Simply you get angry with me, but you have some secret to share with the flowers. Then last paragraph. Baba olage koduvenu nanu. Olage, inside. Okay, so this little girl is telling the butterfly, come inside, I will give you. Koduvenu means I will give you. What is this girl going to give her? Bisi dose, hot dosa. And sihi jenu. Sihi means sweet. Jenu means honey. Okay, so this little girl, she's talking to the butterfly and she's telling the butterfly, butterfly, oh beautiful butterfly, who gave you such colorful clothes? Then, if I come to touch you, you quickly fly and run far away from me. Why do you do that, naughty girl? Then, simply you're showing anger on me, but you have lot of secrets to share with the flowers. So come inside my house. I will give you hot dosa and sweet honey. Okay, so this is the poem Chitte.